Hi everyone, this is Shelly from FOK Connectors. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find a reliable LED cabinet-like connector systems from Alibaba.com. First of all, type LED cabinet-like connector in the search bar. Please make sure you select the trade assurance and verify suppliers as options. There are also a lot of options left for you to choose. And when you search it, all the results are pop out what's related to the product that you search for. And you can start choose the ones that you like the most. Okay, and this is our Fongkit Electronics Manufacturer Code Limited. And you can point it over here. And it shows other years that we have been working with Alibaba.com and also for 15 years. And here are the stars shows the ability of the suppliers. You can select the name of the suppliers and you are jumping into here, and also you can choose the profile to check all the abilities because it's the verified company. So all the information was confirmed by the third parties. That's simple.